Look out, Yates. You on my YouTube channel? Okay, I was just making sure, man, because I'm about to record your car, and I wanted you to go back and look at it. You gonna look out for me? Okay, he gonna look out, y'all. Hey, he finna look out, y'all. One time. Hey, hey. Damn, he been in the Air Force. He must got extra money. Who is this? Hey, what's your name? How you doing, mister?
All right.
You having a good day? You on my YouTube channel?
No, huh?
Yeah, man, it's going down like James Brown. You know him?
Who?
James Brown. Yeah, it's going down. Okay, I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is a Mustang. Damn, they didn't. What? They got some brakes on there. TBM brakes. They really represent TBM brakes. They must couldn't stop one day. They couldn't stop them. Yeah, man, I got plenty of cars. You want to get some of your friends? How many you want? Get all of them. Cause I've been needing somebody to pass out some cars anyway, man. I've been trying. I got 21,000 subscribers. That's a lot to you. Man, I've been working like it ain't none trying to get them 21,000. I'm talking about I've been going 3 years. I be live streaming for hours, man.
I've seen you before.
Oh, you seen me? You just didn't know that I was doing that?
When we pulled up, I was like, I seen a guy going live out here.
Yeah, that be me, man. You seen the drone? Have you ever seen the drone out here?
Yeah.
That's me, man. I be flying that drone. I'm professional. I got the license and everything.
I tried flying the drone every time it just goes.
Yeah, see, I know how to control that drone and where it listen to me. I'm like a drone whisperer. I talk to the drone. Yeah, I talk to it. I be like, get right here. I put it in my, when I landed in my hand. I don't land it on the ground. I put it in my hand. I don't even land in my, you know what I'm saying?
You want me to show you my car?
Where your car at? Let's go. What's his name again? I'll try to remember his name. We about to go see his car, y'all. Said he's 13 years old. Running 770s. Okay, this is him right here. Jace. We got Jace running a 770. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I see you got that intake with the little filter on it. Okay. This is Jace, y'all. Oh. Yeah. Got Jace in the building. Got the parachute with the wheelie boy. Y'all gotta watch because he might tote the wheels. And y'all ain't seen no dragster, but he might tote the wheels. Got the little parachute in case he go too fast. You know what I'm saying? He gonna go ahead and stop it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure them brakes right. Got Chase's Diesel and Performance, one of his sponsors. You know what I'm saying? He out here riding. Y'all ain't even in the 7s. And we got Jace over here already going 770s, man. Say, man. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, they say that's clean, man. Everybody like it. Next time I do, what's the rundown on the motor? You got a good motor on there or something?
Yes, sir.
You working? You work already or something? You got a job?
My dad's right there in the black and blue.
Okay, well, he got a job?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of company?
Takes a decent automotive.
Oh, that's him? Oh, he work on diesels, y'all. His daddy work on diesels, man. You think he can do what kind of diesel? He work on the 18-wheeler or the regular?
18-wheelers. He works on
F-250s too, or just 18-wheelers?
That's him.
Okay, let me go holler at him real quick. Look out, Chase, man.
Yes, sir.
You on my YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
This it right here.
Okay.
Man, I got somebody looking for I got 4 people on here with an 18-wheeler, and I got let me see, I got 4 people with an 18-wheeler. Who else is there? and I got 3 people with a F-250.
Yes, sir. I'm out of Odessa, Texas.
Okay. Hey, y'all, he out of Odessa, y'all. Y'all know him out of Odessa? Let me see. Yeah, somebody, I got a dude right here. He said he need to get a, what is that? A bulldog tune. He need a tune. Do you do F-250s and F-350s?
Yeah,
or do you just do diesel truck?
Light duty, heavy duty, everything.
Okay. Yeah, he do everything, y'all. If it's a diesel, all diesel.
Yes, sir.
You could tune it and everything. You could do the delete.
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all, he doing the delete and everything. What's the price?
It depends on the vehicle. You got to call me.
Okay.
Call. My number is 432-208-4999.
Okay. Y'all heard the number.
So we gotta be out of West Texas. We're out of West Texas. So
How long do it usually take for a delete?
I have it done in a day.
Damn. He can have a delete done in a day, but you gotta be there at 9 in the morning. Cause if you get there at 1 in the day, he gonna come back the next day. That's the next day. But if you wanna get it, you talking about like pick up, drop off, pick up the same day?
Yes, sir.
Damn. That shit, it must be easy or something, y'all. He making it sound easy. He making it sound, hey y'all. They say you take creatine or what?
No, I'm just fat boy. That's it. I'm just
Oh, okay. They talking about you on that creatine. They talking about them muscles looking like you doing something. He lifting transmissions, y'all. Yeah, he lifting transmissions and fuel pumps all day long. Turbo intercooler piping all day. And you say your name Chase?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we got Chase and Jace. We got Jace. What's her name? Oh, we got Mackenzie in here too, y'all. What you got something too? Damn, Mackenzie. Got Mackenzie right here, y'all. Damn. Mackenzie got some. Mackenzie, how old are you? 10. 10? Yeah, we got Mackenzie in here, y'all. We got Mackenzie in here. We got Mackenzie. She 10, he 13. He 49, y'all. He got a race car. They out here racing, tuning, deleting, transmission, exhaust, drag radial, slick, diesel turbo, extra fuel, E85. Man, I'm talking about they got everything. You gotta watch. This is a whole family that you gotta watch. They racing all the way down the line. Mackenzie gonna have somebody. There's gonna be another one next year.